Last summer felt like a dream. It was unlike any other summer. I want to memorize it all. You never know the last time you'll see a place, a person.
First one to dip daw.
When you dance on my feet, now you stand on you. Sweet my little girl, my whole life. This thing. Gives me one more chance to show the world how proud I am. And as we dance around this room like we did when you were two. My little girl, this dance is just for you.
Thank you sa pag-invite na ako na and mo din niya akong pinakaunang dibungan natin sa akong life then. Thank you sa mga tabang and I wish you a happy life and enjoy lang dyan.
So, first of all, Cha, thank you kay invite me sa dagat. Nakapadagat ra jud. At first jud thankful jud kay naisa jud ta og grow sa grade 10 like at first jud kay feel ko like di jud ta maka-close kay di yun basta like awkwardan ko something like nana bitaw pero layo ra jud akong gi-expect sa imo. Kabulo jud ka sa atong mga nagian sa research. Sa cheer dance. Grabe. Dito jud sa balay ninyo. Thankful kay ko siya kay maminaw jud ka. Like bisa mo pa na like okay. Maminaw jud ka and bisan like understanding po kay kasamo and di po kakapuyan like uwan na po ba makikaon sa inyo. And moro to siya and thankful kay ko sa my existence. Thank you, stay true and always remember that when a door closes, open the door. Thank you.
Wala ang house nito.
Good. Ay, tago. Eh, normal lagi na siya. Kaya normal ang tao nga di maibog. Kami na siya. Pero, pagsabagid sa mama, mas nakagusto ko niya. Hindi mo na siya. Ilalaka mo na siya. 18 na ka, so pwede na ka manguyab. Sa nagtago-tago ka, pwede na ka magsaba. Ato mga, gikan sa mga 13 years old, paringon sa 17, ang unya ba itong gigitago-tago raman. Karon, pwede na magsaba nga, ma. Sinday bitaw, nananawan ako. Pagka 19 naman niya, katong una tago raman ang tanan. So, akong pangandoy.
My family. For being there with me through my ups and downs. Pag-ipon
sunshine that brightens up my day, the calm and happy storm, and one of the safest place where I can enter this new chapter of adulthood. I hope you'll continue to chase your dreams, pursue your passions, and never lose sight of who you are and what makes you unique. Unta, blessingan pagid ka ni Lord God, and that He will guide you and protect you along the way. That He may give you much welcome, appreciate mo. Kaya mo na isabit sa imo ang kwarto. Mali! Ay, tara! Kamuningawan ka na ako may chaching, kunit di mo si Yayang, perminasi mo tapat, tanawa lang na.
Happiest 18th birthday sa iyo, Marina. Seeing you shine brighter tonight makes me feel blessed to ever dance on the very radiance of the light you wear. You are the most dedicated, most generous, and genuine friend we've ever had. Na regardless of the hardships and circumstances, you have this relentless pursuit sa imo nga keep on pushing. Nga kanang tabangon jud me bisan unsa pa na like unsa ka lisod, even though like di ka to mention ni Yaya nga you're putting yourself on other people's shoes. We're proud of you, Lina, and I am too. This day has to finally mark your 18th year of your life. You will encounter many paths in the future, hard, easy, and distinct obstacles you may find yourself difficult to grapple on. But I deeply hope that may you keep your path, and we are truly thankful of you for welcoming us, for your family, welcoming us in your life, and dili, words cannot simply fathom nga, like, meeting you was probably the greatest blessing that God has given us. Kasi, we love you, Leonard. I love you, and happiest birthday sa iyo. Always remember na, naalala ni always para sa imuha. If ever you needed light, and I am always here to light up your flame if ever you need one. Padayon lang. We are immensely grateful for Tanan Leonard. May you keep on shining, may you keep on exploring, may you keep on fighting as you reach the pinnacle of your adulthood. And I just want to let you know that it is your own uniqueness that guide others to those who've been lost in the darkness. It's what makes you special, Leonard.
Happy birthday, babe. Dugay naman yung tanay gila, no? Elementary, nagila na ta. Pero di nakita ko sa ato kay lagi ta. Kanya, nag-friends na dito ta kay sa grade 9, grade 10, no? Anak, sugod ato. Ato niya. No, I'm really grateful nga natapad yung ika akong grade 10 kay wala man tayo kapag pero yung unique na kay ni na makakumanjo ko grade 10. Kung wala, bitaw ka rin na ako ka na akong grade 10. So, daghan na tayo kong thank you nga nahatag sa mo, and I want you to know that everyone at one thank you, like, it come from the bottom of my heart. Itin ako, so, man, yung hoping na next time makalaag kayo yung ani, kinakatay mo siya. Ano ko? So, man,
even though they didn't the classmates, your achievements, your way of making a difference has impacted me a lot, honestly. You've inspired me to be a better person and to be more confident about the skills, the creativeness, the ideas. I hope you never run out of those beautiful ideas, and I hope you always have the confidence to fulfill them. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Okay, so, ay Cha, happy birthday. First of all, ikaw jud ang one of the person nga grateful yung kaayo ko kay sugod pa lang sa pagpadayon ninyo sa amoa sa inyong balay nga sahay gabut-but na may kuha og hapin murag dito na may gapuyo dito na may gakaon halos murag adapted na may nga anak nilang auntie dito nga pwede na may Leonard Regine Leonard Julia. Thank you jud kaayo sa tanan Leonard, and ang sa ko lang kay wish na ko para sa imo kay you won't lose yourself. Bahala na sila diha dili ka nang bahalag ka nang gani dili sila mo dawat nimo, kami dawat ka na mo kami tanan dire dili ka dili nimo kailangan mag-seek of validation sa ubang tao. Kailangan nga kanang muto kasi imong kaugalingon kanang kay grabe jud imong potential, limitless yung kaayo kay from art, from sa nakita na mo tanan from videography nimo sa imong art sa tanan, limitless yung kaayo imong potential, and I want you to know na kanang unta kanang dili ka mo undang og try kay always remember na you will never lose, Cha. You already won for trying. Rest, then fight again. Okay, so first of all, kuan ka nang gusto na ko mag-thank you for sa family nimo for bitang inviting us all. Kay wala gid kami nag-expect na kanang money may dire, diba? Kaya ito ginasabot is sa barangay na mag-day celebration sa imong birthday, and that was so fine for us. So first na ko naila si Chacha is back when I was in grade 3. So
It's a special holiday for a special person. Sing to them. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Bumalik po
Happy, happy ka. Balik ko na. Saan yung ko? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday to you, Lord. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Maumag yun ako mga friends dire. Kay,
Atras.
Yan mo sis mama sa ako ba? Tsaka dili kita tumaban mo mga friends. So ara ko, sige lang ba? Mag-separate na lang celebration mo to. Unya. Wanda yun. So kasunod din ang sa mga tsaka uban na yung mga friends. Unya, happy kay ko kay. Gipagsugtan mo tanan ng uban yun kay. Naikuan yun. Unya, thank you ko nila mama o papa kay. Nakuha yun nila ako green ka di po.
Ah.